Hi everyone, this is Miss Pinto from Lincoln High School. So I'm going to show you how to create channels and how to work within channels and add students and everything to them. So you're going to start off by opening up the team that you want to work in. Okay, so I have my test team here. You'll notice that on the left hand side you have something that says general. Okay, so this is the default channel that will show up in every one of your classes. Okay, so you will see that. If you're clicked into the general channel, you'll see all the posts that you've created. You'll see these tabs at the top, so posts, files, class notebook, assignments, and grades. Okay, and each channel that you create can have its own tabs and have its own resources separate from the general channel if you wish for that to happen. So to add an additional channel, you're going to go to the right of the name of your team here. You'll see three little dots. When you hover over it, it will say more options. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. You're going to click add channel. Okay. You're going to give it a name. And the description you can give, it's optional. You don't have to put that in there. And then privacy, if you keep it as standard, that means that all students or all participants in the team will be able to see everything that you put in the channel and interact with it. If you choose the private option, this means only specific people that you add to that channel will be able to access and interact with everything in that channel. So this is really good if you're doing group work with your students online. I would suggest keeping it private. That way the students know which group that they belong to. Once you're finished filling out all of this, you're going to click next. And looks like I'm already using this name, so we'll go ahead and change it to channel 2. Okay. And then you'll go ahead and add students just by typing their name in, selecting the name and clicking add. So I'm not going to actually go ahead and add people because I don't want them getting all kinds of notifications. So, but that's how you would do it. You would just go in and add them one by one. Once you're finished, you can just click skip or finished. Okay, and then you can see over here, here's my newly added channel. So I still have the general channel, so that's where all of my general information is. And then I have channel 2 down here. This is the new one I just created. Okay, you notice at the top this channel has posts and files, so you can have separate files specifically for this channel. So if you have your students maybe working on a group project, you can add files in for each one of the groups, maybe that they need to complete their project. You can also add announcements and have conversations in here as well.